Now see, look, Surah Nur 24:35. Allahu nuru samawati wal ard. Mathalu nurihi kamishkatin fiha misbah. Al misbahu fi zujajah. الزجاجة كأنها كوكب دري يوقد من شجرة مباركة زيتونة لا شرقية ولا غربية يكاد زيتها يضيء ولو لم تمسسه نار نور على نور يهدي الله لنوره من يشاء ويضرب الله الأمثال للناس والله بكل شيء عليم. Allah is the light or the reflection of the skies and the earth. The example of his light reflection is like a niche. In it is a lamp. The lamp is in the glass container. The glass container is as if it were a pole planet. It is being lit from the blessed tree, an olive, neither of the east, neither of the west. Its oil is about to lit, and even the fire did not touch it. Light over light. Allah God guides to his light whom he wills. And Allah God strikes the examples for the people, and Allah God is knowledgeable with all things. Now you must understand, Allah is giving the example of not himself. Allah is the light reflection of the skies and the earth. Meaning when you look at the skies and the earth, did we make the skies and the earth? So that is a reflection of Allah. We can say Allah made it. When we see the skies, we can see that not human beings cannot make it. Earth, that human beings cannot, the planets and the stars and everything. So Allah says Allah is the reflection. That means that you look, if you look at these things and ponder, you will understand the reflection. Allah did it. Allah did it. So you are, in other words, if I show you an ayah and you understand the spirit, you say, Allah says. Don't you say? So when you see that this blocks of rocks, like in the shape, when you read that is the reflection of Allah. So Allah says, you can never see me physically, or I mean, he doesn't have a shape. I mean, you cannot see where. You can reflect on the ayat. You can reflect on the mountain. That mountain you saw, the description of the characteristics you saw, you believe in Allah. You say Allah did it. Tajalla on the mountain, and it broke into pieces, and then it shook the mountain above us, and it made like a canopy. So now you have to understand how Allah is describing that what is reflection. The example of his light, reflection is like a niche. In that niche is a lamp. You just visualize lamp. The lamp is in a glass, like a lamp. You understand? Lamp. Container, glass container, as it were a pearly planet. Now you must understand what is a pearly planet, like moon. Moon is also a pearly planet. Pearly means it is a reflection. It doesn't have its own light. It is reflected. The sun has got its own fire. But the moon or this pearly planet is a reflecting light. Meaning you can see that light, you can see that planet, it will be reflecting to your eyes. They are not by itself burning. So Allah says, like a pearly planet, it is being lit from a blessed tree. Now this blessed tree of an olive, neither east or neither west, its oil is about to lit. Now Allah says this blessed tree is neither of the east and neither of the west. Where this tree can be found, which is not in the east and not in the west? Can anybody answer? What is you said? Who said center of the earth? Center of the earth. Where is the center of the earth? You see the line that passes by GMT time, which is done by British people, they say that is the center of the world. Though the whole world knows this, that the center line is passing through Mecca. So they built a big tower, clock tower, to tell the whole world this is the center. Whether these navigators know about what I'm talking about, The center of the world is Mecca, passing through Kaaba. So that olive oil is from neither from the east nor from the west. It is from that olive oil is grown on this mountain, Jabal Nur. The Quran says Jabal Tur. So it is neither from the east nor, and its oil is about to lit, and even the fire did not touch it. And believe me, you will be surprised to know that the olive oil, it doesn't burn. It is lit like a torch. It doesn't burn itself. Olive oil. This is the characteristic of olive oil. And once it's lit, it lives for 1,000 years. You understand what I'm talking about? This olive oil, when it is lit, I mean when it is, how do you lit? It lits and you can see the light, and it will remain for 1,000 years. Even if it falls down, it won't destroy the things, it will keep on litting. In the ancient time, it was used all over the world. There was no light. So it says neither from the east nor the west, and even the fire did not touch it. Now light upon night, Allah guides to His light whom He wills. And Allah God strikes the example for the people, and Allah God is not knowledgeable with all things. This Tur mountain or the Jabal Nur is where? In the center of the world. And it has olive tree, and it provides this oil, which you can say Allah is using that terminology to understand God, reflection of Allah. And whom Allah guides, physical, He described the physical aspects of the light, reflection. Like you see the mountain with stone, blocks of rocks, that is also a light. You can see this, and it is done by Allah. So anything is reflected, and you understand Allah. You understand Allah did it. Allah did it. Like you can see the child when given a birth, you see how it became the child. Allah did it. Allah did it. So that is the reflection. When you see the reflection in the skies and the earth, that is the reflection to understand it is God doing. Allah is saying, Allah is doing. This is how you understand. So Allah Himself explained this.